Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Chilean mine rescue took place in which year? Option A, 2005, option B, 2010, option C, 2012, option D, 2015. The correct answer is option B, 2010. The Chilean mine rescue occurred in 2010 when 33 miners were trapped underground for over 2 months before being rescued. Next question is, the J. Robert Oppenheimer was the scientific director of which project? Option A, Manhattan Project, option B, Apollo Program, option C, Space Shuttle Program, option D, CERN Particle Collider. The correct answer is option A, Manhattan Project. J. Robert Oppenheimer was the scientific director of the Manhattan Project, which developed the first nuclear weapons during World War II. Next question is, the Renaissance period in Europe began in which country? Option A, France, option B, Italy, option C, England, option D, Spain. The correct answer is option B, Italy. The Renaissance period began in Italy in the 14th century and spread across Europe. Next question is, the Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which Australian state? Option A, Queensland, option B, New South Wales, option C, Victoria, option D, Western Australia. The correct answer is option A, Queensland. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, and is the world's largest coral reef system. Next question is, the Spanish flu pandemic of 1918 occurred due to which virus? Option A, H1N1 influenza, option B, H3N2 influenza, option C, coronavirus, option D, Zika virus. The correct answer is option A, H1N1 influenza. The Spanish flu pandemic of 1918 was caused by the H1N1 influenza virus, which infected 1/3 of the global population. Next question is, who was the first woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? Option A, Malala Yousafzai, option B, Aung San Suu Kyi, option C, Mother Teresa, option D, 𝗕cie𝘂𝗿𝘀𝗧. The correct answer is option D, 𝗕cie𝘂𝗿𝘀𝗧. 𝗕cie𝘂𝗿𝘀𝗧 was the first woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize in 1905 for her advocacy of peace. Next question is, the Revolutionary War in the United States took place between which two groups? Option A, United States and Native Americans. Option B, United States and France. Option C, United States and Great Britain. Option D, United States and Spain. The correct answer is option C, United States and Great Britain. The American Revolutionary War took place between the 13 colonies and Great Britain from 1775 to 1783, leading to the creation of the United States. Next question is, the CRISPR-Cas9 technique is used for what purpose? Option A, space exploration, option B, genetic editing, option C, artificial intelligence, option D, cancer treatment. The correct answer is option B, genetic editing. The CRISPR-Cas9 technique is a groundbreaking method of gene editing, allowing precise modifications to DNA. Next question is, the first Opium War was fought between China and which country? Option A, United States. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, France. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option B, United Kingdom. The first Opium War was fought between China and the United Kingdom from 1839 to 1842, leading to the Treaty of Nanking. Last question is, the Great Depression in the 1930s primarily began in which country? Option A, United States. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, Germany. Option D, Japan. The correct answer is option A, United States. The Great Depression began in the United States in 1929 with the stock market crash and spread globally. Now it's time for practice question. The Himalayas is a mountain range formed by the collision of which two tectonic plates? Option A, Eurasian and Pacific. Option B, Indian and Eurasian. Option C, African and Eurasian. Or option D, Antarctic and Indo-Australian. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.